Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, a cloud project, and billing enabled if quotas demand it. Once done, open Google Cloud Console and select or create the project you will use. Next, make your authorization choice: an OAuth consent screen for user-facing apps or a service account for server workflows. Make sure to configure the consent screen scopes and publish status. Then navigate to APIs and services to enable the Sheets API. This starts the integration. Now you enable the Sheets API in the API library and head to Credentials. If your app accesses user data, create an OAuth 2.0 client ID. If it's server-server, create a service account and grant it sheet access. Once created, download the JSON key file and record the client ID, client secret, and redirect URIs. Make sure your redirect URI matches your app configuration, otherwise authorization will fail. Finally, add any required OAuth scopes such as spreadsheets, read-only, or spreadsheets for full access. Implement the client using Google's official library for your language. This handles OAuth flows and token refreshing. You will either exchange an authorization code for tokens or load a service account key and impersonate if needed. Once authorized, call spreadsheets. Values, get or spreadsheets. Values, update to test reads and writes. If calls fail, check IAM permissions, OAuth scopes, redirect URIs, and JSON key validity. One key troubleshooting tip: enable API request logging and inspect error codes. 400.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.